Hey guys, welcome to Raja Makes Money. How are all my money makers doing today? And you're not going to believe this. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. He's back. We even had Friday was a huge winning day. Unfortunately, we didn't have a show Friday, but I think that was up like another almost 300 grand and over $500,000 today. You talk about a heck of a comeback. We're up over $1.7 million in the last 30 days alone. So if you think that's impressive, you like that, give me a thumbs up for good luck, so I can keep this rally going. As well as, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button if you're watching on YouTube, and if you're watching on Facebook, make sure you follow me. But let's get into it. What did I do today? How did I do so well? Well, I've been saying this forever. It's like a progressive jackpot that's going to pay off at some point and some time, and it's starting to finally hit. CCIV. That's right, guys. Remember I told you guys, it's like a progressive. It just keeps adding up, and it's just going to keep, that pot just keeps going. And now look, guys, so today, unfortunately, of course, as usual, I have one bad hedge, but you know, you got to hedge stuff, and we'll go over this. I mean, I could have been up even a lot more today, which is insane, but excuse me, but these progressive ones here, these puts, the 24, 2450s, 25s, hopefully they will all expire worthless. We still have about 130,000 left on them, but yeah, look at these profits today, just enormous, profits. Like I said, these were just progressives. We just keep making that money. It's just going to keep coming to us. Look at these games. So, you know what, we wrote it out. I told you guys, I think a lot of people just didn't believe in me, lost faith, but I told you guys we would write it out and we would make money, and that's what we did. So, where's all my money today? IDX had a great day, up 40,000 almost. We did hedge those options, we hedged the calls last week. So, I don't know, these are 22,000. Like I said, I want to get out of this thing. We've had it way too long. At 350, we make money actually on the trade by hedging it every month. And this is when hedges are good or bad, so you never know. Jaguar actually was back up today. Got as high as like $1.93. I thought this was finally going to get going. Slowed down. I did sell those other 40,000. We made a nice $24,000 profit when we sold those. So we don't have those anymore. CUBT, the old CTYX, had an updated day. They're trying to rally that one back. Hopefully that thing can go up to 19, 20 cents. We'll get out of it, get our money. I don't think it's worth averaging down in right now. I don't know. Like I said, I look at my account as a whole sometimes. So at some point I may just blast it, or, if there's some momentum. But, like I said, you got to look at it as a whole. But yeah, CCIV, I mean, $2.55 up today, almost, 9% day. Just a huge rally going into that, into the Lucid deals. And I told you guys this thing was going to hit, so definitely building momentum. Hopefully it keeps going, or as long as it stays above $25, I don't care, honestly, what it does. We do have these 1,200 contracts, so if it keeps going higher, these will always be worth more. I may have to roll these 25s out to like a 2650 next week, because I mean, this thing these could be worth a lot of money eventually. But we'll come out, like I said, we'll do great on it. AMC, I'm riding that wave with you guys. I made a lot of money on AMC today. I made probably 150, 200 grand flipping AMC today. I'll show you guys some of the trades. Right now we're down about about $1 a share. So it's at 50. Actually, if I sold it right now, after hours, AMC right now is actually $56. So I'd actually be flat on these 30,000 shares. But here, I'll show you guys what I did today. On there, today's trades, and I hope all you guys had a great day today. I'm telling everyone about this, and big shout out to all my YouTube sponsors in the house. They all have the green, they stand out in the chat in green, so thank you guys. But yeah, these are all the things I did today. So pre-market, let's see. Oh God, I wish I would have left this order open at like 5. I was up at 5 in the morning. This one would have been huge when it went to 59. But bought 10,000 shares at I don't know. I'll just recap. But bought 10,000 shares. I sold 10,000 shares at 59. I made a quick 18,000 on that. I bought 10,000 shares at like $56, and I sold those 10,000 shares at 59. That made me like 30, 40,000. I don't know. I had 10,000 shares going into the day from Friday. So when I sold those at 59, that was like another 100,000. I had 3,000 shares I bought at, like I said, it was endless. I was just flipping this thing all day long. Sold more at 59, buying at 56. I was all over the map today. I don't know. I just kept buying and selling it. So hopefully tomorrow it pops 4 or 5 points. I got 30,000 shares. This thing goes up 4 or 5 points. I start the day off with $150,000 to start. Not a bad way to wake up, huh? But yeah, it seems like definitely after hours and before hours, definitely a lot more movement in it. And then, during midday, thing just spikes. I don't know. Makes no sense to me. And like I said, way overvalued, has no, there's no rhyme or reason. It's obviously, the meme play. And you know what? Let it keep going. I'm not, like I said, I'm not buying this as a valued investor. I am buying this simply, I'm just jumping on the bandwagon. I'm going to make myself a lot of money. So even if it goes down a few points, and that's the other thing, you can hedge it. And that's why when I always talk about these hedges, and I show you guys. So let me show you something. So right now, AMC is, let's say we're into it at $56. So if we wanted to, I'm not panicking yet, but no. But you can do these, the options on it, and they're probably like the 55, 56 is probably sitting at like $12. I mean, it's crazy. So if I wanted to just buy, I was thinking about closing some of my CCIV, buying 100,000 shares of AMC for Friday at, right now $55, $56, and then just sell the call. Look at this, guys. I can sell the AMC call at $56, 10 and a quarter. That's insane. So basically, I'm betting on, as long as the stock, so if I did 100,000 shares of AMC, if I buy 100,000 shares of AMC at right now at $55, $56, sell the 56, I get $1 million. I can make another $1 million by Friday, as long as it's above $56. Now, let's say it goes down. As long as it's above $45, I don't lose any money. So if my astronauts are right and they're going to hold the line for us, it's just crazy. Now, this is where it gets really exciting. Now, if I could buy, let's say we bought 100,000 shares of this or 50,000 shares of, AMC, and it runs 5 or 10 points, and then I sell it, so here, let's take, hold on, show the 16. So it's at 55. Let's say I bought it around and I already had $1 million profit or something, and then I wrote, the 45. It's like $13, $14 it's going to be. I mean, it's insane. Well, I wouldn't write the 45, actually, if it ran, but I'm saying, let's say it ran from 55, so I write the 65, or I write the 55 goes to $14. It's $1.4 million. I mean, it's insane. Or like I said, if it ran 10 points, I'd probably just close it out and make $1 million. But I don't know. You got to time it right, and I'm freeing up. I'm gonna have a lot of money freed up with this CCIV, finally hitting. And like I said, I wrote it out. I did. You just have to be a long-term investor and be patient. In other news, you guys aren't gonna believe what happened. Kenny and the research team up today, $462. Kenny likes all his trades. Got a couple. He's got 3 or 4 that he thinks are about to go boom, major booms. So always wishing Kenny the best of luck on those. Hopefully they explode for Kenny. But at least it was a nice update. Still, Kenny has a lot of stock in play. He has trimmed up some stuff, but he has a lot of stuff in play. He actually on Friday played AMC. He had 250 shares of AMC that he flipped at 23 cents a share profit. So he made a little money on AMC too. I told him, I told Kenny actually when AMC was around $19. I think he thought I was joking around. And I said, you know what, Kenny, I would liquidate the entire account and just buy AMC when it was $19. I go, I don't know, it's going to go up. There's no reason it should go up. We should be shorting it, but thank God we didn't do that. Maybe I'll short it when it hits $75, $80, but no, I don't know. You know what? It's kind of like the crap table. You can bet both ways, but you know what? If something's just going up, we'll just ride it out. But you know why? Now, this is interesting. You know why this is all going up and this is all doing so wonderful? Because something is crashing and everybody's taking their money out of it and putting it back into these meme stocks because it's the same group. Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. We're going to test these lows, or we'll test this bottom of $30,000 here pretty quick, it looks like. This is, we got Dogecoin back 33 cents now. My Bitcoin now from, just the other day, it was up to 80,000. Look at, let's see, in 1 week's time, look at this, on, what day was that? The 3rd, 84,000, 83,000. 3-4 days ago, even the other day, 80,000. I hate losing, but I mean this is a pretty big drop right here. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's Elon Musk's fault, who we blame. I saw some country is adopting Bitcoin, but it is interesting. The government's been able to get back a lot of money on these, the people who are doing this extortion with Bitcoin. But I'm going to tell you, this extortion stuff is going to crush Bitcoin because one day you're going to wake up and I don't know, the president of the United States or some country or Janet Yellen or somebody is going to say, you know what? We have a way to solve all these hijackers or ransomware, we have a really easy way to solve the problem. Well, how? Just ban Bitcoin. Bitcoin illegal in America. then what happens? You want to talk about one of the largest crashes in financial history, and they'll probably do something like that at some point because, like I said, these cryptocurrencies were, well, especially Bitcoin, it was designed, for the Black Road or whatever it was called, for people to buy and sell illegal drugs, which still is mind-blowing that people would buy and sell illegal drugs or buy and sell anything using a make-believe, item that really doesn't exist. It's nothing more than a Ponzi scam. But if we can make money with it and the government isn't going to stop us and we're not going to go to jail for it, then let's do it, right? What the hell? So, but hey guys, like I said, just a terrific day, terrific Friday, terrific day. Like I said, over a $1.7 million uptick from where we are. So we're up in the account almost 40%. Obviously, we put that other 500 in. So my goal, I want to end the week hopefully at like 7.5 million, which would be about 7 million, which would give us a 40% gain, $2 million from the 5 we started with, maybe more. I don't know. You guys know I like to gamble. I'm really debating on this AMC if I just go for it. And like I said, because it could be $1 million payday for Friday. Maybe I'll just go to Vegas and blow an extra couple $100,000 on some, $1,000, $5,000 slot machine. I don't know. Have some fun. But CCIV, the big winner today for us, at least up 10% to 26.50. AMC was back up today. At the high was 59.80 or 59.60, closed at 55, still up, great. It was interesting. AMC was leading the pack of all these, and then GameStop and some of these other ones kind of started exploding again too. Like I said, it's all mind blowing because there's these companies have no value at all. So I can just tell you guys, be very careful. And also remember, all my trades in real time, I post on our Patreon page. So any of our Patreon members, all my trades there on our Patreon in real time. Kenny and the research team, all his trades in our Facebook group. So make sure, I saw a couple of new Patreon members yesterday, or over the weekend. Make sure you guys get on the Facebook private group so you have all those trades. But some great stuff. But you know what? Enough about me and how great I am and how wonderful I am. How about you guys? What do you guys got for me? What do you guys got questions? And thank you, Tracy D in the house with her up arrows and one of our YouTube sponsors. And a big shout out to Tracy and Sanders and Bonsai and all the Mod Squad. Thank you guys for all you do. There's Shannon giving me the thumbs up. Thank you so much, Shannon, another one of our YouTube sponsors. And like I said, guys, if you haven't followed me yet on YouTube, make sure you click that follow button. If you haven't subscribed to me, if you haven't subscribed to me on YouTube, make sure you do. And if you haven't followed me on Facebook, make sure you do. So Margaret in the house says, you're making the big money, Raja. Awesome. Thank you, Margaret. So, and sorry about the delay today. You guys aren't going to believe this. I got a surprise for you guys. You guys want a surprise? How many people watching want a surprise? I'm going to tell you guys why I was late today. How many people would like a surprise? I'll give you guys a second. Lord Beerus says, Roger, the CCIV rally, will it continue this week? I was talking to Chico about it. I said if it stays strong today, which it did and rallied more, I think 28 to 30 by the end of the week. It's going to be 28 to 30 for sure, whatever day they announce the Lucid, the name change. I think that day you just get this spike. Also, there was an interesting article about CCIV being way over shorted, also. So it'll be interesting. Vanessa says, yes, I do. Look at all these. Brian, yes, I do. Can anyone guess what my surprise is for you? No lucky guesses? God, you guys, slacking over here. All right, well, hold on a second. Come on over here. Honey, hello, come on over. I told him I got a surprise. Look, you guys, the one and only Jolene is here with me today. So unfortunately we were a little delayed today. So I took Jolene in. She's getting laser hair removal and stuff on her arms and her face. So ran a little bit longer, super painful, but that's why we were a little delayed today. So sorry about that, guys. Sanders, somebody thought I bought a casino, a new car. We'll just carry a car in. And Brandy's doing good. She had that UI infection, so she's recovered. But having a little father-daughter time today. So getting Jolene laser hair removal, and I also did my arms. Got to look good for my birthday bash coming up next month in Las Vegas. Actually, I'll be in Vegas in less than 2 weeks for Clickfather's birthday. So looking forward to that. Big 50 for him. It's so nice being the younger guy in the group. All my friends, Scott number 2, he just turned 50, and Classic man. Everybody's already 50, so I'm the young guy in the group. So Jeff Schwartz in the house, the #1 average down guy in the building. Jeff Schwartz, CCIV, awesome now. Lucid for the future riches. I don't know. Hopefully, I'm gonna bank it on AMC. I'm just gonna buy like $5 million worth of AMC stock, 100,000 shares. Let it go up 10 points or sell the calls. I don't know. If we can make an extra $1 million this week, that'll give us something to do. Maybe we'll have a celebration party or something. Maybe we'll be celebrating by tomorrow night if it works out early in the day. I don't know. No, you still have to be cautious. And like I said, guys, always be careful. Always pay attention. You know, there is no intelligent trading in this stuff. Pure speculation and, you know, like I said, but you know what? We'll take advantage of it. Not going to complain at all about it. So also today, and I'm still watching this one because I love this stock. You guys can probably know what I'm going to tell you about, is Apple. It was up actually 1 penny today. It was down most of the day. They had their big event today with announced new operating systems, iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 operating system and some stuff and different things. This is a great, I mean, down 18% from its highs. I mean, this thing has to go, but it doesn't have the volatility, so you can't make the money riding the like option contracts and stuff. So, but I can tell you that this time, guys, I'm going to be a little bit smarter, do some little bit different stuff in the account than normal in the past, and we're going to have some fun. You know, you just got to enjoy it. You know, just gamble and go for it. So. Alex says, what do you think AMC will do tomorrow? Hopefully up 10 points. I don't know. I think it'll be up, you know, a couple of points. I think it'll be up in the morning, may sell off. I'm going to look for a couple of points in it. Maybe, you know, like I said, that's what I did today. I just kept, you know, trying to hit it for those dips. It's just like GameStop. They get up there, they come down, they get up there. But it seemed like it had enough momentum to stay solid. I was also been watching BlackBerry, you know, for something cheaper to get into, and also even Express, because it really doesn't matter what I buy, as long as it has the volume and it has the percentage of movement, you're going to make money. If you buy, doesn't matter, if you buy $1 million of anything and it goes up 10%, it doesn't matter if the stock's $1 and it goes to $1.10, or the stock's $10 and it goes to 11, or the stock's $100 and it goes to $110. 10% is 10% of $1 million. So if it goes up $1 million, if you buy something for $1 million and it goes up 10%, you make $100,000. If it goes up, you know, 20%, you make, you know, $200,000 for the day. So, like I said, the percentage is all you have to look at. Doesn't matter what it is, but sometimes some of the stuff that's cheaper is going to move more. You know, even like Express, but some of these I wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole. I mean, they're all worthless, but I mean, Express 15% today. So I don't know. The meme stocks are all back in play. That's probably why Jaguar had a good day today also, and got really going again, and then kind of pulled back. Same with, like I said, they all kind of pulled back. GME, it was interesting, you know, and I think you're just gonna have some profit taking. I mean, when something's just up so much money, you got to have some profit. But somebody owns this at $72, so they need to get this thing going. All my astronauts, hurry up! So got to get it going. Somebody says Nokia. I've been watching Nokia. It's still like $5.50. I like it because it's $5. I mean, it's been as high as what, $9.79. I mean, here's the thing with Nokia that I like. It only has a low of $3.20. So this thing doesn't have a really bad floor. This was that first pop when the meme stocks, you know, in that one day. But it also doesn't have a rally. So I don't know if the short just isn't in this. I don't know. They don't like it because it's a Chinese, it's not American-owned company. I don't know. I can't really, I mean, Express I always thought was like more of an English company or something. I don't know. But it's hard to say. I mean, I know AMC, GameStop, that sits in people's hearts. You know, it's like close to home and all this stuff. So, you know, but it'll be interesting. It'll definitely be interesting. Also, guys, newsflash, you're not going to believe this. Amber invested into AMC. I hope you're doing good in it, Amber. Marjorie Vargas slots in the house with the green arrow and those astronaut ships. So, Mel D, any advice on how to grow my 4,000 never done stocks before? Just put it all in Dogecoin, Elon Musk. And if they ask, Elon Musk said so. It's going to go to the moon now. You want to be careful. You want to be a sophisticated, smart investor. You know, probably some of the stuff that I do is more speculative and higher risk. So you may want to look for some of the stuff that's like on the Dow, you know, Dow 30 or 50 or, you know, top Dow stocks, you know, and stuff like that to look at trading. You know, and stuff, something with a dividend. I mean, what I do is speculation. I'm looking to make those big booms. I want to have that, I want to make 100% or more this year. I want to, make 500% this year. I'm not looking to make, a 5% return on my money. I'm looking to go big or go bust. So it's a little bit different, my trading strategies, but always be careful and, do stuff that makes sense to your financial gains. Matt Davis, I made 34% today of my total account. Thanks for recommending CCIV at the club a while back. Very welcome. Can't wait to pop some champagne with you, Matt. Hopefully you're doing better. Hopefully I keep seeing Matt's. Unfortunately, Matt's had some health issues, so he's been in and out of the hospital. But hopefully you're out again and doing well. So. Let's see. Alex says, Scott, I can't wait for you to go live tomorrow. That's right. We are at Monarch Casino. How's Monarch stock doing? I love this stock. I mean, this casino, if I was going to invest heavily into any casino stock right now, this is the one. I know they just have to be making more money than any of these other casino chains out there. They just had earnings, but this place is packed. And it's actually off the highs by 7-8%. So this may be a good buy, even at $76 compared to like Penn Gaming and some of those other ones that have tanked. And I should let you guys know, I actually have owned Penn Gaming for a long time. I probably should have sold it when it was in the hundreds, but I didn't. But still done very well in Penn Gaming. Funny story, when I actually got Ameristar stock, and then when Penn Gaming and the whole merger, it converted into two different stocks. So I have Penn Gaming and I have one other one. I can't think of the name of it off the top of my head, but that's how I wound up with that one. But hey guys, I want to wish you all the best of luck. Tomorrow's show will be 4 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. It'll be earlier because we are live in the casino and got to make it up there in time. Don't want to start the show late like today, unfortunately. But hey guys, hope everyone had a great day in the market. We did tremendous, $500,000 up, one of my biggest up days in a long time in the market. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. If you haven't followed me yet on Facebook, make sure you click that follow button. And take care, guys. Have a great rest of your night, and I'll see everyone.